everyone, welcome to Innovative Priya. It's all about art. First of all, thank you so much for all your love and affection I am getting it in my channel, and thank you. It's really overwhelming. And today, as you might have seen in my thumbnail, that I am creating a mandala art. It's pretty quick and straightforward. Nothing very extravaganza about it. I am just using a nice scale or a D, you can say, and a pencil. I have this mechanical pencil with me. If you don't have, don't mind, use any pencil, whatever you have, and let's make a quick design. So far so easy. And now I have these color palettes with orange and red and yellow. I have this pink and purple, but I will be using this color palette with the blue mixture, with the blue shades. So let's get started. So I have made a very basic mandala art, and it's pretty straightforward, nothing complex. And I am trying to use this blue stripes with different shade, like one dark blue, one light blue, like that. So this is an intricate affair. Mandalas are very intricate, and you have to be very patient. So let me take you all to the fast forward mode.